Well, hello there. Welcome to another break here from Bounty Hunter Breaks. This is Boba Fett me, and today this is going to be a really quick one. A couple weeks ago, I actually went into Target and found this lone hanger pack of SP hockey. I was hoping to find a little bit more, but I couldn't find any more. So this break is just going to be, what is it, 3 packs? I think there's just 3 packs in here. Yeah, 3 packs. So we'll get to it. I've had fairly decent luck with the others. I'm hoping for another one of those Pyrotechnic gold inserts or parallels. But, so yeah, we'll make it a short and sweet little video. Bruins went and dominated again last night. So this pack starts off with a Barkov, Matthew Tkachuk. I got our blue parallel of Victor Olofsson of the Sabres, Matt Murray when he was still in the Senators. Now I want to say he's with the Maple Leafs, in our SP Essential or SP Authentic rookie, Jani Hakanpää. So there's our first rookie. Next pack, got Jack Hughes, Dominic Kubalik, and we do have a parallel, Matthew Barzal. Our rookie authentic is going to be a Peyton Krebs when he was still with the Golden Knights, and our Pyrotechnic gold is going to be none other than Dylan Cousins. Sadly, these are not numbered, but they are a tough pull. So, well, we'll get a cleaner top loader than that one. For some reason, that one looked... I really like the Pyrotechnic gold inserts or parallels. They look sharp. So last pack. I have yet to get an auto or anything like that out of these, but this pack starts off with a Carter Hart. Pull from the back here. Got a Josh Bailey for the Islanders, a Colton Parayko for the Blues. Got a blue parallel of Mark Scheifele. And our last rookie authentic is going to be an Ian Mitchell for the Blackhawks. So yeah, I'd have to say that solid break for this one Cello pack with a Dylan Cousins. It would have been nice to get, like, say, a Jason Robertson or a Tim Stützle. That, but I'll take it. So yeah, that concludes this break of a single Cello pack of 2021-22 SP hockey. Or actually, this is 2020-21. Sorry, I misspoke there. But yeah, hope everybody has a great rest of your day, and as always, keep collecting.